1 gallon of milk costs $3.78. Shelley buys a gallon of milk every week. To the nearest dollar, how much does Shelley spend on milk every month? Okay. How much every month? 1 gallon of milk costs $3.78. She buys a gallon of milk every week. To the nearest dollar tells me I'm rounding. But since it's nearest dollar, means I'm rounding to the nearest whole number, which means I'm going to round to the ones place. That'll be important to us here in just a little while. How much does Shelley spend on milk every month? Now this says month, and our problem is talking about weeks. So we have to change this. From months, we're going to change it to 4 weeks. Now it all matches up. So it's $3.78, 4 weeks, and the answer is money. Now, we are rounding here, but what you're going to see, we can't really round 4 weeks. If we round 4 weeks, we end up with 0 weeks. So we're going to keep our 4, but we are going to round our dollar amount. $3.78. We're rounding to the nearest dollar, which means the 3 is either going to become a 4 or stay a 3. The decimal remains where it is, and then everything behind the decimal or behind the place we're rounding to becomes a 0. If we look directly to the right of the place we're rounding to, we have a 7. The rhyme we learned in class, 5 or more raise the score, 4 or less let it rest. 7 is more than 5, so the 3 will round up to a 4 decimal, and since we only have zeros left behind the decimal, we can drop them, which means she spends about $4 a week on milk. So we can cross that out. Now we have $4. To find our answer now, it's simple. $4 times 4 weeks. 4 times 4 is 16. So the answer is $16.